what is he talking? Like, Frank, I'm literally over 100 pounds more than you. I weigh over... He's like 140 pounds? He's tiny. Bro, I'm literally like 130 pounds heavier than you are. And you're talking about... most vegan diets aren't calorically dense enough to provide it. I weigh 130 pounds more than you. I'm more than twice your strength. Any fucking lift you can do, I can do over double that. I can literally crush your fucking head with my bare hands.
A few moments later.
Fuck! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, Jesus! Oh, I felt something pop. Oh, God. Oh, shit, dude. Oh my god, that hurt.